Hi there everyone, Marco Boy with you again after quite some time. You're probably wondering where I've been the last few years. Well, believe me, I've been just as busy as ever. And one of the projects that I've been working on with neighbor Matt is to build a mutual, neighborly friendly fence between our two driveways. Neighbor Matt formed the concrete portion to build the backbone of the low wall. We then veneered the concrete with stone, and I scratch built a steel fence, nothing fancy, but built it up to, well, fence height. And following that, neighbor Matt planted a wisteria vine at either end of the 60-foot fence. And wisteria grows like topsy. So I have recently extended the fence to make it into a trellis. And as part of the feature, midway is a gateway, so we can easily pass between our two dwellings, and eventually there'll be a gate on there. But today I'm going to start building the final touch on the fence / trellis, which will house a beautiful gate in the not too distant future. So stick with us. Now this project has evolved over the last 3 years or so through mutual discussion with myself and neighbor Matt, and of course Janer B and Victoria. And while we have no trouble agreeing on the wall portion and the fabrication of the fence, the planting of the wisteria, one plant at each end of the 60-foot fence, necessitated the construction of the trellis. And the final portion of the trellis will be to join the two sides of the fence over what will be the neighborly gateway. So that's it for the welding right now. Thank goodness I've had enough. It just remains for a little bit of cleanup and some rust paint, a couple of coats, and we should be done. That's the gateway finished. So I know it's been a while, but I'd like to thank you once again for watching. I'd like to thank you for subscribing. Hit the subscribe button if you like. And thanks for watching. See you next time.